All right, let's just push the textbooks aside for a second. What if I told you you could jump right into the shoes of a top tier accounting pro, like today? This capstone project we're talking about, it's not about theory. Nope, this is a full on, high stakes simulation. You're going to be using AI to wrestle with the exact kind of complex, real world problems that are defining careers right now.
Okay, just take a look at this. It's night and day, right? Over on the left, that's the old grind. We're talking 60, maybe even 80 plus hours of just manual, tedious data work, and you know it's going to have errors. But then, look to the right. That's the future, and it's here. An AI-powered analysis that's not just way faster, but gives you these deep, verifiable insights. We're not talking about a simple upgrade here. This is a total game changer for how accounting work gets done.
And this pressure, it's real. I mean, this is the day-to-day for accounting teams everywhere. The C-suite, the clients, they want deeper insights, they want them faster, and they want rock-solid assurance. Now, you could look at that as a huge challenge, and it is. But honestly, it's a massive opportunity for anyone who's ready to adapt. And that's exactly what this is all about, getting you ready.
So the big question is, how do you actually get ready for all this? Well, welcome to the NVIDIA Dossier Challenge, and I want you to get the term class project out of your head. This is a mission, a professional mission. Your job is to build a complete executive-level analysis of a major tech company. You're literally simulating the kind of high-stakes work that's going to shape your entire career.
So what's the goal here? Your core objective is this. You need to design, execute, and then document a totally defensible AI-augmented accounting workflow. And let's linger on that word, defensible. That's the key to everything. It means your work has to be bulletproof. It needs to stand up to tough questions. Every single insight has to be traceable, validated. So you're not just finding an answer, you're building a process that you can confidently stand behind. And success, what does that even look like? Well, this isn't about just turning in an assignment for a grade. This is about producing work that meets a truly professional standard. We're talking a forecast model with base, optimistic, and pessimistic scenarios. A report that you could literally hand to a C-suite executive or an audit committee. You're building skills for the big leagues, so yeah, we're going to hold you to big league standards.
Okay, so how in the world do you get from here to there? Don't worry, this isn't some vague, open-ended thing. We've structured this as a super focused 6-week sprint. We're going to take this huge, ambitious mission and break it down into a totally manageable step-by-step journey. We'll go all the way from raw data to a polished professional presentation.
So here's the game plan, week by week. Each one builds right on top of the last. Week 1, we're laying the foundations, getting our hands on the data. Week 2 is all about wrestling that data into shape. Week 3, we dive into analysis. Week 4, we start looking at the bigger picture with industry intelligence and forecasting. Then, week 5 is about pulling it all together. And finally, week 6 is packaging it up into a killer presentation and portfolio. It's this structure that makes a huge project feel totally doable. And you're not going to be doing this with old school clunky software. Not at all. You'll be getting your hands dirty with the absolute cutting-edge tools. We're talking platforms like Claude Desktop for pulling data securely and ChatGPT for really deep industry research. I mean, these are the exact tools shaping the future of accounting, and you're going to be getting really, really good at using them. But here's a really crucial point. This project isn't just about using AI. It's about using it responsibly. You're actually going to implement audit-grade governance. That means tracking where your data comes from, keeping logs, validating outputs, and always applying professional skepticism. You're going to learn that it's not enough to just trust the AI, you have to know how to verify it. So after all that, what's the big payoff? What's the end result? Look, it's so much more than just a project you can check off a list. We're talking about a genuine career-defining transformation. You're going to walk away as a future-ready, AI-augmented professional. Just think about this for a second. We're looking at a potential 70% time savings compared to the old way. 70%. What does it actually mean for you? It means you stop being a number cruncher and you start being a strategist. You become the critical thinker who delivers those deep insights that get you noticed and get you promoted. And the value here is totally tangible. I mean, you're not just walking away with skills in your head. You're walking away with a professional portfolio full of concrete assets. A massive, comprehensive written report, a sharp executive brief, a presentation deck that's ready for the boardroom, even an AI-generated video overview.
This is the stuff you show to employers to prove, without a doubt, that you can deliver value from day one. And all of this really brings us to the core philosophy behind the whole project. It gets right at the elephant in the room, the biggest question on everyone's mind when it comes to AI in our field. Is it here to take our jobs? The answer is a loud, definitive no. And this right here is the guiding principle for everything we do. Human judgment governs, AI accelerates. Let me say that again. You govern, AI accelerates. You are always in the driver's seat. The AI is just the supercharged engine that gets the work done faster. It never, ever replaces your professional reasoning. And this right here defines the new kind of professional you're going to become. An AI-augmented professional. This isn't just someone who knows accounting. It's a practitioner who knows how to leverage AI to automate all the grunt work, freeing them up to focus their expertise where it really matters, on strategic insight, critical judgment, and communicating those ideas effectively. Look, the tools are here, the skills can be learned, the mindset is within reach. The future of accounting isn't some far-off thing on the horizon. It's happening right now as we speak. So really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to lead it?